Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you wireless mouse for laptop, how to connect. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to connect your wireless mouse on your laptop, the first method that you can do is use wireless mouse with USB receiver. You'll be getting something like this, a USB receiver and your wireless mouse. What you gotta do is plug this receiver on your USB and then simply turn on the mouse button right here. On the back of the mouse, you usually get a switch bar. Then once you turn it on and plug in the USB receiver, wait for a few seconds and the mouse should work automatically with no extra setup needed. The next method that you can do is use a Bluetooth wireless mouse. To do it, simply head over to your Action Center, then simply turn on the Bluetooth and click on this Manage Bluetooth Devices option. Then simply turn on your Bluetooth mouse and then look for the Bluetooth wireless mouse and then select the mouse, and then that will connect your mouse and you are ready to use it. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.